Here, we got a thermostat off the wall. We have a GMC. Turn sideways in a closet. Hear that blower running? No fuse, no controls, no command. Variable speed blower motor turns on and off whenever it wants to. This unit has to come out and be turned properly with the service door here and not back up in there. I'm filming.
There's a lot to be filmed on that.
No, man, I turned the breaker on and it's like, look,
off.
It's like, notice the thermostat is off and notice the fuse is off. Look, it just cycled again all by itself. So, thank you very much. Other people's decisions ruining our life.